Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar and in this video we're gonna show you how to get $50 of credit of any AI top tier model like Claude Opus 4.6, 4.8. So go to any Chrome profile, just paste this link and this link is in the video description also, you can check out from there. So it take a little bit time to load, so just wait. So as you can see that it is loaded and now fill up all the details. Now send the verification code to your email ID and get the email. Okay, we got the verification code. Just copy this code and verify here, create account, and the account is created. We're gonna save the login details and login to your ID. So as you can see, you get the $50 and now you can enjoy it using any AI model like Claude Opus 4.6, 4.8. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe for any another trick if it is any available. Thank you.